Looks so good. These are going to be so bomb. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. It's so neat. They're so flat. So my first time trying loose wave box braids. First time for everything. The hair I'm using today is by Ywigs. Yeah, we besties now or whatever. They sent me 3 packs of their 20-inch loose wave bow hair. Okay. This is their bow hair, so it looked like this. There's no track at the top. Just human hair. Now, when I do work with my bow hair, I like to add edge control on the ends of the hair. So let's just take a little section here. So I have this easy edge control. We'll just put it on the ends of the bow hair. It just makes it easier for me to split the hair up and work with it as I go and then split it up. I'm thinking about maybe sections like this size that I can feed in and just make it so much easier to add this edge control to help split up the hair. So I think I'm going to use my Shears Balm Goo in the front area on my parts. And then I'll go into using this edge gel here in the back on my roots. And then I also moisturize my hair with my cream moisturizer, link down below. And then finishing off with my hair oil. I got another bottle somewhere, link down below. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Okay, I think I do want baby hair, so I'm going to go ahead and swoop that out. And then we're going to tackle these braids. Not exactly sure what or how I am doing them. I'm just ready to do it. After all this time of me having this hair and saying I was going to look up a video, nope. I'm just ready to do what I think would be done. Is that smart? Not really. Okay, so they need to be medium, kind of small, I'm thinking. Like I said, using my Shears Balm Goo on my roots in the front. Take a little bit of my cream, put that on my hair. Start off with the braid. Let's feed this hair in. So I will just keep braiding down past my hair because 1, it's short, and 2, I will be adding nail glue to keep the curl from unraveling. Okay, do a little slip knot. Take my nail glue. Okay, here's the first one. Y'all, this is so cute. These are going to be so bomb. I'm so happy. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Adding some cream moisturizer. Add my goo. So adding in 3 pieces of hair. Look like this, small, small, medium. Starting off braiding my hair. Add in one of the smaller pieces. Second smaller piece. Then the third piece. Now I just braid down. Actually, I'm going to add in one more piece of hair just to get some layers, add a little bit more length to this one. And that's what I'll do throughout the style. Some of them I'll only add in 3 pieces of hair. Some of them I will add in 4, maybe 5. We'll see how I feel at that time. Okay, so I reached the end of my hair. Take a section of hair, do a little slip knot. Just bring it around. 2 times is enough because then I'll go in with my nail glue. I'll rub it in with my fingers. It's not too much to even stick to my fingers, so then cut off this extra hair sticking out. Okay, you see that I added some length to that one, and I'll do that throughout randomly. Again, starting off with a braid, braiding my natural hair, and just feed in my 3 pieces of human hair. At first I was trying to feed the hair in back to back, but I actually wanted, just to braid it down a little bit more. Then my 3rd and final piece for this one. And then just braid down. Then gonna add a little moisturizer to the end of my hair. I do like to add my flaxseed gel, but I need to make some. But with the flaxseed gel, I like to use it in place of the edge control. Edge control will make my frizzy hair lay down, as well as the flaxseed gel. It just curls it up. So it just makes it, you know, go into the braid a lot easier rather than using edge control. Braid, braid, braid. Right now, take a skinny piece, bring that around 2-3 times. Okay, 3 this time. Last time it was 2. And add a little glue. Boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Make this a little neater. Oh, yes. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. You hear me? And then when I finish and have this curl at the end, can't wait. So eager to finish my hair. I'm gonna stop about here. Have a little wrap around. Oh yeah. So cute, so lightweight. Okay, got glue coming out the side. I can just wipe it for real. Now let's snip. Take a little of my oil. Ooh. Oh yes, the braids look good. The ends look great. I love my hair so much already. And then wait till I put it into a ponytail. Oh, put it in a claw clip. Oh, and I just bought 2 new clips. They wavy. They so cute. Do a little twist style. Oh, I can't wait. It's like my braids are so neat. All right, I must proceed. Yes, indeed. With the curly hair. And it's funny, when I went to go pick up my homegirl to take her to get her car, she was like, it smells like a nail salon in here. I'm like, probably because I was putting nail glue on my hair. It's a lot of hair. This is still the first pack. Look how much hair I have left. 2 more rows left. Smack dead in the middle. But this side, baby, I ate. It's so neat. They're so flat. I did all of these on this side underhand. And then over here, I did some underhand, some overhand. I mean, neat as banana. Who's that girl? Na 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 na. All done with the top. It's just so neat. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. So all of the top is done, and I still have this much left from the first pack. So top complete. I'm starting in the back, and usually I just section my hair from the bottom and go up, but this time I'm starting my row from here, following this part in the front, so then I can continue to follow around. Now I just need to line this side up the same way. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. That looked pretty straight. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just ready to start on my second bundle. It looks so good. Look at it. So nice. So all of the front plus the 2 rows in the back. And I started to add a lot more hair in the back because my hair is thicker, so I was able to feed in larger pieces. So this is 1 pack of hair.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
So this is 2 packs of hair right here. Pretty full. So open up my last bundle. So you can definitely get away with 2 packs. Last braid. So here are the steps. I like to go in with my cream moisturizer, then take a little bit of edge control. I'll start off braiding my hair. Then I will go ahead and braid in the first piece of human hair. Braid that down a little bit. Another piece of human hair. Braid that down. At first I was adding them in back to back, but I find it flows a little better when I spread it out a bit. Another piece, especially in the back. In the front where my edges are a little thinner, it's cool to add it in back to back. But here my hair is a little thicker. Then my hair is ready to end, so I added another piece. And I'm braiding down until I get about 1/2 inch past my hair. Your hair is long. I guess you can still do this and tie a knot, just don't add any nail glue. So now I'll go ahead and tie my knot. And for that extra security, I'll add some nail glue. Just take my finger and tap it together. Then go in and cut off the pieces sticking up. Last thing I would do to finish off my style, just go in and add some of my hair oil. All right, all done. My hair is just so bomb, baby. The curls, they eat. Now, it look a little oily from me, you know, applying oil to my scalp and all of that. It's like I want to wash my hair, but I didn't want to change the curl pattern. See, like right now, it's actually spirals. And I feel like if I wash it, it may turn into a wave. So I bought some dry shampoo. I got this from Ross, $3.99. It's by Pantene. To see if I can get rid of some of the oil, because it kind of look a little weighed down. I did my nails last night, and child, now I can't even put on my charm bracelet that I made. Look at my charm bracelet. It's so cute. My nails are so cute. Click the link down below to go check out the Valentine's Day nails. So pretty. The ponytail. Okay, Tari, what was you supposed to be doing? Dry shampoo. I forgot already. I feel like I should spray some oil sheen on my scalp first. This is probably another reason why oily and weighed down. I've been spraying this oil sheen, child. Why does it feel so good when you oil your scalp? Wow, does it feel so damn good? Yeah, that's definitely why my hair is oily. It look oily. It still look good. Like, look at the curls. For the girls. That would smell good. Smell like their shampoo and conditioner. Alright, whew. Okay, so it definitely spruced my curls back up. Put some life into them. Fuller as well. You see me. Like, how can you not love this style? Let me do my makeup really quick. Alright, all done with my makeup. Today's video was on highlight and contour. Click the link down below to see this look. So, as you see here, my hair just tends to like form its own curls. So just a quick recap on my hair. This is Ywigs loose wave texture hair that gives a spiral curl. I love that. Like, it look the bomb. Let's just say I used 2 packs of hair because I only used about 7 or 8 pieces out of the 3rd pack. So I used 2 packs of hair and just a little bit out of the 3rd one. Not even enough to say I used 3 packs of hair, or even to say I used 2.5 packs of hair. It took me a total of 14 hours that I did over the course of 3 days. Here's the back. You could keep this style in, I know, a good month or two. And I started my hair on Monday. Today is Saturday. So it's almost a full week from me starting these braids. I will give you guys an update before I remove these braids. I will wash them, do like a little maintenance video, give you an update, because I'm curious to know if the texture of the hair will change when I wash it. I know previously when I've worn curly wigs that start off with a curl, when I wash them they do wave up. So we'll see. If you're curious to know, make sure you follow me. Click the link for my notifications so you can see when I release that video. It's gorgeous. Let's see some styles.